channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today we will move to solve Olympiad problems, algebraic. How can we solve these type of problems? Okay, consider a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 30 and a plus b plus c is equal to 10. Then value of a, b, b, c, c, a is what? How can we solve these type of problems? Already we are now that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, we use that formula. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. After a square plus b square plus c square, take 2 common, so ab plus bc plus ca. After we add the values, a plus b plus c is equal to what? A plus b plus c is equal to 10. So we add 10. We put 10. 10 square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square is equal to what? 30 plus 2 as it is ab plus bc plus ca. What we find this sum? We find ab plus bc plus ca. So we transfer these two in this side. Okay. So ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 10 whole square minus 30 divided by 2. After simplify this one, we get the value of AB, BC, CA. Okay, simplify it. 10 times are what? 100 minus 30 divided by 2. 100 minus 30 is equal to what? 70 by 2. So, simplify it. 2 ones are. Simplify it. We get the value of A, B, B, C, C, A. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 is remaining. So, 10. 2 5s are 10. So, the value of AB plus BC plus CA is 35. Okay.